Namaskar, welcome to Kalam IAS. This is Vasudev Singh Bhatti. If I ask you a question, which is the most unpredictable part of UPSC journey? There are three stages in UPSC and every stage is unpredictable. But which one of them is the most unpredictable? The answer is invariably going to be prelims. Now, whether it's your first attempt or your sixth attempt, the stage which the candidate fears the most is prelims. So, but still we see that every year there are people who are clearing prelims consecutively year after year. I myself have cleared prelims 4 times in a row in 2020, 21, 22, 23. So what is the key for all the people who have cleared prelims? If you ask me personally, I have been in this journey for 6 years, and if you ask me what is the key for clearing prelims, I have boiled it down to three things. First is revision. Revision is the most important part of the whole journey. Revising your limited notes is going to sail you through every stage of the UPSC exam. And the second thing is test. As many tests you write, as confident you are going to be in the exam. The variety of tests, the number of questions that you solve, because in the final exam, what you are going to be asked is the questions. So, the more questions you solve, the more confident and the more skilled you are going to be in the final exam. And the third thing is PYQs. Now, why PYQs? PYQs is because the syllabus of prelims is not as well defined as the syllabus of mains. So, how do you know what to study and what not to study? People say that in prelims, everything under the sun can be asked, which is not true, because the way of asking question can change year after year, but there are certain themes. These themes are repeated, and these themes are constant in every paper. Even in the 2023 prelims that you see, the themes are the same which were in 2022 or 21 or 20. So how do you ensure that these three things are done well? Now, everyone who is going to do them is not going to clear prelims. That is also a reality. That is a hard truth. But these things are essential necessities which you have to have. And there are certain other things also which we will talk about in further slides. Now, we here at Kalam IAS, along with Mr. Ayush Krishna sir, he is IFS rank 6, and he has started a new program which is KFG, Kalam Focus Group. Now, Kalam Focus Group is going to take care of one of the most important component of your UPSC journey, that is PYQs. Prelims के PYQs जो हैं वो आयुष कृष्णा सर खुद पिछले 20 years के PYQs को आपके सामने solve करेंगे, and he will analyze them and he will tell you how he is going to solve those questions. He will give you the question and he is going to tell you how he is going to solve those questions. So, first thing is detailed analysis of past 20 years PYQs, and then after doing the detailed analysis of past 20 years PYQs, what we have come to the conclusion that there are 150 themes of all the subjects. There are 150 themes, and these themes are repeated in the final exam. And based on those themes, we have recorded videos, 100 plus hours of recorded videos, and then we have 20 plus hours of recorded videos on CSAT also. So if you join the EKLAVYA series that the Kalam IAS has come up with, you are going to get access to all these things. First is Kalam Focus Group by Mr. Ayush Krishna sir, and then you will also have the syllabus which is divided in 150 themes. The handout will be given to you, and you will also have access to recorded videos on all those themes by which you can solve all the PYQs of the past 20 years. Now, the next thing in the essential part of the prelims preparation after PYQs is the test that we talked about. So in EKLAVY, you will get total of 82 tests. These tests will include static, your current affairs, your CSAT, all the things those which are asked in the UPSC is included in these 82 tests, and you are going to solve more than 4,000 MCQs via these 82 tests. So we will ensure that the fear of solving the MCQs, all the experiments that you have to do, you do it here in the test series. When you go to the final exam, when you go to the exam center, you should be confident and you should have a strategy developed to tackle all the questions there. Now, the next thing in this is, for these 82 tests, there are going to be 40-minute tests. So what we are going to do is that every Monday to Friday, we are going to take mini test on the static part of your syllabus. For example, from Monday to Friday, we will have test on polity, and we will tell you in advance what is going to be the theme of that test. You study in advance and then you appear for that test there. Next thing is 16 CSAT tests are also going to be there, and 10 PYQ based tests are also going to be there, so that we will ensure that you solve the actual real questions which were asked by the UPSC in the exam. So we will solve the 10 PYQ based test also. After that, every test is going to be followed by hand-to-hand sessions. What is hand-to-hand session? Hand-to-hand session is basically going to, by hand-to-hand session, you are going to get into the mind of the invigilator. You are going to get into the mind of the people who have cleared prelims multiple times. So what we are going to do is that every Monday to Friday, we are going to sit in our classes and we are going to solve 50 questions. That is going to be a mini test. We will give you 1 hour and you will solve those 50 questions. After that 1 hour, we will start the H2S session. Now, what will happen in H2S session is we will discuss all those 50 questions and we will discuss how to arrive at the right answer, how to choose the right answer from the 4 given options, so that it's not just about solving the test, it is also about analyzing what went wrong in the test and how you can correct it. Next thing in the series is going to be SAR, self-assessment report. After every test that you write, we are going to give you a handout in which you can write what went wrong in the exam. Now, there are certain blocks in that report, so you can analyze your test, that how to improvise in the next test. And the final thing is Kalam golden pages. Kalam golden pages are basically notes on static part of your preparation of your syllabus, which are given in every class, and these are drafted based on the themes which are asked in UPSC PYQs. Now, this is going to be the timetable of the exam, of the test that we are going to conduct. So the tests are going to, EKLAVYA series is going to start from 15th of January, and we will start with polity, and the 5 days we will have polity, and then after on the Saturday, every Saturday, we are going to have 1 test on current affairs followed by H2S session, and on every Sunday we are going to have test of GS as well as CSAT. Apart from that, every Thursday also we are going to have a test on CSAT. So with that, we will ensure that all the 7 days in a week you are solving questions, and you are solving questions from 15th January to 13th of March. By the end of 13th of March, you would have solved more than 3000 MCQs, and you will have gained the confidence to clear this exam. So that's it. Thank you very much for your time, and when you join us, we are going to interact more together, and we are going to develop the skills required to clear this exam. Thank you very much.